sure that sa cast ng Sunday Pinasaya, parang the bulk of the musical part of it nakarely sa'yo. Because everyone is doing comedy. And then, if they really want musical, ikaw talaga yung nakatoka doon, diba?
Hindi naman din ako like na-pressure kasi na-experience ko din naman na maging part ng yung musical variety.
Of course.
So parang, nasanay na din ako.
Pero doon kasi madami kang kasama ng mga iba singers din. Dito kasi parang ikaw lang talaga.
Oo, tsaka kumbaga kasi there's yung show kasi parang it comprises of like 70% of comedy skits and 30% of the musical production.
Yes.
So I'd like to take the opportunity, of course, na to take part of yung musical stuff na nangyayari sa Sunday Pinasaya. Tsaka yun nga, para maging mas maging malinamnam yung show. Diba? At samahan mo pa ng may comedy skits na, samahan mo pa ng mga music na alam mo yung may mga production numbers, and syempre may mga singers din kami minsan na in-invite. So